Welcome to Subramani. Happy Diwali at the outset. So maybe I should have posted this earlier, but a very small lesson in risk management came to me from my daughter's teacher. Right. I have a few decades of cracker bursting experience, but now I've stopped for a couple of years, maybe 5-10 years. Maybe I've stopped. But this is an incident which happened before that. When my daughter wanted to burst crackers, she said, my teacher has said that I have to carry a bucket of water when I go to burst crackers because something could go wrong and you might need water there. So I had never done it through school and college, and even later I had never carried water. But we did carry, because her teacher had said so. We did carry water. So we burst crackers over 4 days. So on the first day nothing happened, so the water was poured onto the plants. On the second day again nothing happened. So my daughter asked me that on the third day, look, should we carry this water? Nothing happened. So then she looks at me and believe me, she was in class 6. She looks at me and says, oh, but yesterday nothing happened, but today something could happen. And she decided to carry the water. Far away, my brother-in-law, my niece, my brother-in-law's daughter had gone down to burst crackers and put her hand on some firecracker, and it was obviously burning, and she went all the way up to the 9th floor because she needed water, right? So immediately my daughter said, look, if she had carried water, she could have found it immediately there. I said, absolutely. And on the 4th day, one girl stamped on a cracker in our building, and this water was useful because she could immediately put her leg in the bucket. This was very useful. So one amazing thing which all of us can learn is, you have to take the risk cover before the journey starts, right? You cannot say, I will take the risk cover when it happens. You have to take it much before in advance. And one thing I will tell you, this is from personal experience of 3-4 friends. When a major illness hits, and believe me, it is hitting a lot of people now. After a major illness hits, or when a major illness hits, the first thought that comes to a person's mind is, I wish I had more term insurance and I wish I had more medical insurance, because suddenly you're uninsurable for whatever reasons, whatever has happened. Like for example, if you have had a heart trouble or things like that, you cannot get insurance in this funny country, even for a accident which you could potentially have. So if you have had a heart problem or a kidney problem or cancer, you cannot get insurance, which means you cannot get insurance for falling on the road and breaking a leg. Sounds very odd, but it is true. So take insurance before the journey starts. You cannot start a plane journey and when there is turbulence you look for an insurance policy. It doesn't work that way. You can't look for a parachute after the turbulence starts. You better carry the parachute in advance, right? So similarly, risk cover or a bucket of water has to be taken immaterial of what you think will happen. We have absolutely no ability to predict the future. So take your risk cover before you start the journey, right? Thank you.